Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, here we successfully load our theme, that means our backend theme in our admin dashboard area, right? How to load some of the template, I hope it's very much clear to you. Here we successfully load everything in our admin dashboard, and then I have get only our EL part. So that is our EL part, I take it in our index, and into the index area, I simply loaded our admin dashboard, and that is our EL ID as an admin. Now friend, I want to segment it, then that will be better. In our admin dashboard, I only want to take our CSS and JSS, and rest of this I want to simply segment it. I want to segment it with our different pages that I have created as a footer, header and sidebar. Right now I want to take it like here, that is our top, that you can see there is a top bar is started, and there is a left bar is started, and also there is a footer. Everything is in here. You can see there is also some of the comment. Now by comment I want to change it here. Before I already minimize it, and that is our top bar is started. That means that will be our header. I simply cut it from to this position, and now in our body, in our header area, I want to paste it. Okay, so right now I want to simply include this our header. So that is also another function as include function. So I make it as include our which file. Here we have to assign this file that is in our admin folder, then the body folder, and our file name as a header, right? So now our header should be loaded. Same the things I want to add it for our sidebar. You can see there is also sidebar is started, and left sidebar is and. Now I want to take this, I simply cut this div, and now in our body, and that is our sidebar. Here I paste it, and now I want to simply load our include. I copy it better, and here I paste it. Now that is our admin body, and then our file name as a sidebar. So I make it as a sidebar. Okay, our sidebar page now by include method it should be get. Great. And then our EL part I have already taken, that is our footer. I simply cut this footer. You can see also they have some of the comment as a footer is started, footer, and now I have created as a body, and then footer. Here I paste it, and now if you go to our dashboard, that means in our admin dashboard, here I want to also include, better I copy it, and now I want to include our body and then footer. How much easy it is, you can see. So now if you want to change anything in our footer, you can actually change it into the footer page. If you want to change anything in our header, you can change it. Now everything I have already segmented. Perfect. So I simply included everything. Great. You can see now they have only our JS file. They have some of the div. So that is a main div. I have already used it as our yield, and that will be our header, our footer, and that is our all that CSS. Great. Now that should be the same. If you now click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, you can see our everything is just like that same before. But right now if you want to change anything in our footer, like simply go to that our footer, and from to the footer, like there is some of the text I want to change it. I make it as a easy, okay, easy news. I name it as easy news, and also I name that as easy learning BD. Okay, I put some of the name. Now that should be changed. Now click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, and now if you go here, you can see is our footer is now successfully updated. Right here we successfully, whatever the things now you will be able to add, that will be displayed in here. So right now if you want to change a specific some of the things in our sidebar, you can change it in our sidebar page. If you want to change anything in our header, you are also able to change it. Okay, so right now that is our header. If you want to change anything in our header, like that should be one of the logo. I want to better make it as a clean. They have so many inappropriate data. I want to better make it as a clean. I want to work in our header. If you now go to our header, into the header they have also another logo. Better I want to find out that logo. You can see there is a logout, and they have also some of the logo. I want to check it. There is our asset. So here if you want to change it, I hope you already know what exactly you have to do. Our command will be the same. I copy it. Now that will be our command. I simply select both of these. That will be for the light, and that will be for the dark. Okay, here I paste it. Now that will be our, I cut it, and here I paste it, and also I cut it, and here I paste it. Okay, now if you click as a save all, and also there is another one, but I also want to update these things in here. I copy it. Now that will be the two asset. I paste it. Now I simply cut it, and I paste it, I cut it, and then I paste it. Now if you click as a save all, now if you go refresh it, now our logo should be display. Yeah, you can see it's now successfully displayed. And also this theme has very interactive one of the things, like if you want to make it as a dark, I have already take everything in our admin dashboard. Into the admin dashboard here you can see that is our total body layout. By default they are using that light, so if you want to use it as a light, which is totally fine, but here you can see there is a top bar color as a dark. There is also another class as a dark, so now you can see it's now display as a dark. So I'm actually personally like dark mode very well. So if you want to change it as a dark mode, only you have to do, you have to change it as a dark, that is light. I want to make it as a dark. Our sidebar, you can see there is a sidebar, also I want to make it as a dark. That's all. Now everything will be dark. Now click as a save all, and now if you go, and now if you refresh it, you can see now our total theme is become changed, and now that is our dark mode. So as I told you, I personally like this theme very much. It's very interactive. They have a lot of functionality, so I will also share this file with you. So right now it's totally fine. Here we successfully change it as a dark mode, and if you want to change anything in our header, you can actually change it from to this area. If you want to change anything in our sidebar, you can also change it. Okay, so literally step by step we'll do a lot of work in here. So right now, how to segment your theme, like as our header part, that is our sidebar part, that is our footer part. How to segment this theme by using that include functionality. So that is our include one of the method. By this we can actually segment it. Okay, great. So friend, in our next video, first of all, I am already logged in, right? Here I am already logged in by the admin. So in our next video, first of all, I want to complete that logout functionality for the admin. Okay, so how to do this work in our next video, I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.